Hi, everyone. My name is Dan. I am one of the team members of the commuter-insurance team, participating in Hack the Orb in November 2020. Um, our idea was a insurance contract that pays the covered amount if your morning commuter train is running behind schedule. So, you know, probably a fun little experiment that you could potentially see some interesting use cases for if the company is buying insurance on employees running late in the morning, or um, some situation where the MBTA, the commuter operator, is actually on the hook for um, uh, or contractually bound for late trains by the state government, or something like that. So there's a lot of things you could do with this, and we just wanted to make a very small proof of concept to see if decisions can be made using the result of the MBTA API. There were two of us on the team, myself, Dan, and Mason. We didn't quite complete the proof of concept. There are still some open issues with it, but we learned a lot on the way, which was one of our goals, and we hopefully provided some valuable feedback to the Agoric team as well. And we do plan on continuing to work on it in the future, because we think this would be really cool to explore. So just a very high level architecture. There's three components interacting here. The Agoric smart contract, the Chainlink Oracle, and the MBTA public commuter rail API. And the call flow goes something like this. The Agoric API creator will send an offer, an invitation to a wallet owner who is interested in taking part in the transaction. If the wallet owner accepts this offer, a query is sent to the Chainlink Oracle. That in turn is forwarded to the MBTA API, and the result of the API call, which is guaranteed by the Chainlink network, ends up returning to the Agoric API, and we make some decision based off of that information. In our proof of concept, we did something very simple, almost too simple to be useful as insurance, but it kind of illustrates the idea. If the result is the expected train time, then the user is charged just a flat fee for participating. And if the train time is unexpected, then the contract pays out a share of the fee pool to the insurance purchaser. And the contract in just very pseudocode terms is extremely simple, and I think illustrates well the value of the Agoric smart contract system, which is just that the wallet owner and participant can hold this object. It's just a simple object which dictates some terms, and the terms are, if the train time is not expected, then I, the API operator, will pay you a share of the fee pool. Else you pay me a flat fee. So just a really quick run through of the contract. In the creator facets, we have a few methods that allow the creator to interact with the fee pool, such as withdraw the fee pool in the event that they want to wrap up and close the operation of this API. We also have a method that allows them to deposit into the fee pool, which can help initialize the insurance contract, so there's something to start with. And then the public facet, the most important method here, is make query invitation. So this is the method that creates the invitation to the insurance participant, to the insurance buyer, and it does a couple of things. Importantly, it queries the Oracle API with the given query. and it makes a decision based off of the response. We've hard coded the expected train time here, but obviously this would be parameterized in a real contract. And if the reply indicates that the train is running at the expected time, then we charge the query seat a fee, and we transfer that fee, the required fee, to the fee seat, which is the fee pool. Otherwise, if the response from the NBTA API indicates that there's something different, something abnormal, where the scheduled time is not the expected time, then we do the reverse, and we allocate some amount to the query seat. In this case, we're actually allocating the entire pool. You win the whole pool if the train is not running on time. But obviously, this would probably in a real contract pay out some fraction of the pool. I do just want to note that there are still a couple of bugs with this. We haven't quite gotten this over the line in time for the deadline, but I did want to submit this, our progress anyway, just to get it in and on the record. And we look forward to continuing to work with the Agoric team to see what else we can do with this.